Hey everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to make some clean and simple cards using Unique Snowflakes and the Slim Alphabet Thin Cut set. Okay, so I'm just going to use the stamps from Unique Snowflakes, and then I'm going to use the H and the O from the Slim Alpha. Okay, so off camera, I'm going to cut out a whole bunch of H's and O's using black cardstock. So I've run them through and I've done 2 of each, and I've glued them together and layered them. Okay, so each H, there's 2 of them layered together. So now I've placed most of the snowflake stamps from this set in my MISTI, and I'm going to stamp them all at once on a piece of white cardstock cut at 3 3/8 by 4 5/8. So I'm just going to pick up the areas that didn't stamp out completely and re-ink them and stamp them down again. Then we'll get the MISTI out of the way. And now we can start building our card. Super easy. Okay, so I have a piece of pine cardstock cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and then a piece of black cardstock cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to layer everything, and I'm going direct to the card front with tape runner. So we'll layer in the green. We'll leave a white border of the card front around the edges. And then we'll layer in the black, leave a border of pine around that, and then we'll add our stamped card front and leave a border of black. Okay, now we'll place our letters on the card front. Ho, ho, ho. All right, so we're just going to glue each of those down. I'll speed this up. I'm going to keep it in though. Just add some wet glue and place those letters down. Pretty easy. I'm just eyeballing it. You could use a ruler and make sure everything's straight, but that's the nature of handmade things, you know? So I'm just going to eyeball it, and I know it's not straight, but that's okay. All right, so there's my first card. All done. Quick, simple, clean, easy. I love this design. Super easy, but makes some nice impact. Okay, let's make another one in other colors. And this time we'll do scarlet. So the same thing, I've got the same sizes of paper loaded into my MISTI. The white daisies at 3 3/8 by 4 5/8. We'll ink it up with scarlet and stamp out those snowflakes. Okay. And then we'll start layering things up. So I have my card base, scarlet cut at 4 by 5 1/4, black cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and then our stamped card front. Using up the ends of tape runners here, so keep switching them out. Gotta use up every last bit. Okay, and we'll add our letters and we'll glue those down. So again, I'll speed this up super quick, just basic gluing and placement. And then our card will be done. And then I've also done off camera some thank you cards with this same basic design. So I'll show you them at the end using a thanks die. Okay, so there's the scarlet one. So you can make a whole set like this. And now these are the thank you notes with the same design. One is using Mist and the other is in Seabrook. So all of these supplies are currently available in my online store. I'll make a list with links in the description below. You could do a little shopping. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.